I had seen a new class of astronauts that had been hired for the space shuttle, and I was reading in the newspaper what their qualifications were, and just going through some of them, I realized I can do that, and that was a big turning point. I'm Dr. Shannon Walker, NASA astronaut, and I am getting ready to fly on the Crew 1 mission to the International Space Station. Soichi appears to be a very quiet person, and yet he comes out with some fantastic one-liners.
Soichi is probably the quietest, but he is probably the funniest as well.
Earlier, I used the word dignified to describe him, but his humor is very dry and subtle, but it is extremely witty, and it just makes it that much more funny.
Konnichiwa. My name is Soichi Noguchi. I am Mission Specialist 1 on Crew 1 mission to International Space Station. Well, my mission will be help support the commander and the pilot on Crew Dragon. And of course, once I arrive on the space station, I'll be a board engineer and do lots of science and maintenance and spacewalks, robotics, all kinds of work. I'm really fortunate enough to have a good crew member. And obviously, we have a lot of a different background, and the diversity definitely gives us a great rigidity to our crew.
The Dragon spacecraft represents, to me, is just a continuing evolution of better computing power that's, evolved over the years and different ways that the crew can interact with the spacecraft. SpaceX is a very interesting company. There are so many young people. I always imagine it to be like it was in the early Apollo days at NASA, with so many young engineers so passionate about what they are doing. The important thing is we both have learned from each other, and now we've got a very strong bond on what we want to accomplish and how we need to accomplish it together. I do believe that human spaceflight is an imperative for our planet, and to be a part of that, to keep the progress going, I find very inspiring.